take a look at this custom build just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1951 Studebaker Champion two-door street rod. Underneath the hood, 302 V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission that has a shift kit and B&M shifter. It's nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, four-wheel disc power brakes, AC. Take a look at the custom flames over this black gloss paint. Cool looking nose on these Champions. Chrome and bright work looking good up front. All right, still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. These are custom wheels from Wheels of Steel in California, and it's actually a pointed moon cap on the center with stainless beauty rings, the Diamondback wide white wall radials. What a great look. You can see the reflection in the paint too. I mean, the paint looks like it's wet on this car. Let's take a look down this passenger side. As you can see, it's not full of any nicks, dings, scratches, anything major. Tinted glass in the side windows, so know your local and state laws as far as your percentage of tint that you can have. Shaved door handles. We're going to get around to the driver's side, check out that interior a little bit closer. It's a beautiful custom bucket seat interior, leather, power seats, both sides, some custom embroidery, and like I said, we'll check that out in just a bit. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Again, shaved handles from the trunk. The release pull for the trunk is behind the driver's seat next to the rear seat, kind of down by the floor. There's just a pull to release that trunk or deck lid. Has a Fat Man front end, 2003 Chevy S10 rear end, 343 gear ratio. It's been lowered 3 inches. When this started out, it was a solid New Mexico body, and it shows. I mean, for black, this thing is straight, and you know what the poor craftsmanship starts to look like when you're spraying black paint over it. You do not see that on this car. Let's take a look down the driver's side from the front to rear, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you like street rods or some of these custom builds, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And again, you can see that paint looks like it's wet. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. When we pop the hood, you're going to see that 302, and it has a 600 CFM Edelbrock on it with air gap intake manifold, also MSD ignition. Some of the best looking headers I've seen on an engine is BBK equal length headers, and they are cool. We'll take a look at that in just a little bit. March pulley system, so serpentine belt system on it. Like I said, it's a nice custom build. Let's take a look at this interior. Like I said, power bucket seats, an I Did It column. Also has Pro 5 gauges with GPS speedo, and let's go take a little closer look at that. All right, so matching door panels to the seats. You can see seats show very little wear, if any at all. There's a custom Studebaker embroidering, the red stitching, center console, a lot of carbon fiber look to the interior, tilt column, like I mentioned, the I Did It, banjo steering wheel. It's that beautiful gauge cluster. HVAC controls built into the console. Custom rear view mirror, done up nicely. Headliner, nice shape, visors intact. This car would be fun, no doubt about that. And you're not going to see one like it every day. No doubt about that. Let me grab the keys. Left them on the counter. Be right back. We'll fire this up. All right, let's fire it up. I forgot to mention there's also a custom mounted stereo in the center console that is working. You can see passenger seat also like new. Alright, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Fuel gauge says full. And we have a tach down here. Searching for GPS for that speedometer. We're indoors is probably why it's doing that, I would guess. Alright, slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice little rumble coming out of that 302. We're going to let it warm up here a little bit. I'm going to pop the hood. We'll get it off the high idle and we'll check it out also. Alright, we got it warmed up now. Choke's off, high idle is done, down on low idle. Purring right along. There it is, that 302. So beautiful engine bay. Chrome dress up. And that MSD ignition, Edelbrock carburetor, air gap, intake manifold, and check out those headers. Just love the looks of those. Technician did note the AC compressor kicks on and off. May need a charge though, so you're aware of that. And again, power steering, power brakes, four-wheel disc. Slip around to the back so you can hear it with the low idle. Now that sounds good. Nice custom build, 1951 Studebaker Champion 2-door, street ratted out. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1951 Studebaker Champion. In my opinion, the best Studebaker. The coolest Studebaker with the front end. Everybody says looks like an airplane, and I agree. The styling is impressive. And this car takes it over the top with the condition of everything. The chrome, the paint, the drivetrain, the sound. Perfectly. We got a B&M quick silver shifter right here. Awesome steering wheel with finger grooves in the back. Chrome and black. Gauges from Motor Meter Racing. Fuel gauge showing a half a tank. The temperature 180. Speedometer working, tachometer right below the speedometer in a smaller gauge. Perfect setup. Is working as well. The oil pressure looking like it is 50s. The bolts are 14 volts. That's all looking good. We have a Sony stereo within hand's reach right on the center console. And that sounds good. Great looking bucket seats matching with red stitching. The carbon fiber and black material look in this car. Looks great. It all looks really fresh. Brakes feel good and corners flat. This car was not only set up to look good, but handle good and drive excellent. I am really impressed. 1951 Studebaker. You may see one, but you won't see one that looks like this or is as nice. Take a look at all the pictures of this one at uniqueclassiccars.com.